Hello, hi everyone. So, today we are going to talk about Google's exciting service, Google Cloud PubSub. What is Google Cloud PubSub? It is a messaging service provided by Google Cloud Platform. It allows you to send and receive messages between independent applications. PubSub is designed for high throughput, reliability, and scalability. It follows a publish subscribe model, where publishers send messages to the topics and subscribers receive those messages by subscribing to the topics. It's commonly used for building event driven systems, or it is also used for real time analytics and decoupling components in distributed applications. So, mainly when we are writing microservices and we want to decouple few microservices from each other, we would use Google Cloud PubSub. To understand this, we are going to use Google's Code Labs, and the title of this code lab is Messaging with Spring Integration in Google Cloud PubSub. I really enjoy these code labs, and that is why I am still digging into these code labs and learning few more things from here. Actually, I have used PubSub already in an enterprise application, but just for fun, I think it's a good exercise, and code labs gives you a different perspective on things. So let's see, what do we learn today? So the first step is the overview section, and what it is talking about is it is saying Spring integration provides with a messaging mechanism to exchange messages through message channels. It uses channel adapters to communicate with external system. In this exercise, we'll create two apps that communicate using the Spring integration channel adapters provided by Spring Cloud GCP. These adapters make Spring integration use Google Cloud PubSub as the message exchange backend. So, Google Cloud PubSub will be almost like a backend, and we will have the applications which are publishing the messages to this backend and which are subscribed to a topic on this backend. So, they are consuming the messages from the backend. We will learn how to use Cloud Shell and the Cloud SDK Gcloud command, which is common in every code labs tutorials. You usually use Cloud SDK or Cloud Shell. This tutorial, they are saying that this tutorial uses the sample code from Spring Boot Getting Started guide. So this is the link that they have pointed to. It is building an application with Spring Boot, and so it is just a controller. The Spring Boot, it is going to be just an application which has one controller called Hello controller with get mapping to the root. So whenever you open the application, you'll see greetings from Spring Boot message. So this is just a basic Spring Boot application which Spring has provided on their website, and that's what even we are going to use today. That's what they're saying. What you'll learn: how to exchange messages between apps with Google Cloud PubSub using Spring integration and Spring Cloud GCP. What you'll need: a Google Cloud Platform project, which we already have, a browser such as Chrome or Firefox, and a familiarity with standard Linux text editors such as Vim, Emac, or Nano. Anything is fine. After that, they have asked few questions. How will you use this tutorial? So, what are they going to do with this tutorial? So, when you're answering this tutorial, remember that by taking the inputs from you, they are just going to add more details or less details based on your input. So, don't think that this is something long term. It is just for this tutorial. Please pick what you want to pick. So how will you use this tutorial? Will I just read it through or read it and complete the exercises? We are for sure going to complete the exercises. That is why this video is about completing the exercises. so that we do it, both of us do it together. And how would you rate your experience with building HTML or CSS web apps? So I am pretty good with building applications, so I'm just gonna say proficient. Third question is, how would you rate your experience with using Google Cloud Platform services? Are you a novice? Are you an intermediate? Or are you a proficient? So I'm gonna say novice because I want to see more and more information, whatever they want to give in this tutorial today. So that's where this step 1 ends, which is just an overview. After this, we'll look at setup and requirements to set up a messaging application with Spring integration and Google Cloud pops up. See you.